Hey, how we doing today? Welcome back to ErokVids. This thing has about 9 different tools. There's a little on the light side. There's many other models you can get. Alright guys, here we are. Let's see what's in the box. Look at that. So this here is one of those camel multi-tools. That'll help you see it better. So it's got a regular hammer on it, but it's very, very small. See, and my hands are not big. So it's a very small hammer. You're not going to be hammering carpentry nails or anything like that. Right here is a puller. It's got the claw back on it. And then right here is the wrench part. Wrench handle is what I was trying to say. This is the lock for that. And then right here is the lock for the blades that are inside the unit. Right, well, let's get into it. So we'll unlock this. And we got ourselves the pliers. And then that locks up just like that. Wait. There it goes. Little technical difficulty there. Alright, so inside, these are thin blades, so not really thick. I have a lot of oil on this, forgive me. Ooh. So this is a soft tooth blade. Pretty far apart, not really close together. Let's say about 1.5 for each inch. You can approximate how many teeth are in each inch, and that can give you the design of the blade. So when I say 1.5, I'm counting approximately 5 teeth for 1 inch. Alright, actually let's leave that out. Alright, we got ourselves another saw blade. This one's much more close together, as you can see. I'd say maybe a 7 1 thereabouts. This one has a flathead screwdriver on the top, so a standard screwdriver. Don't do what I did just there. This here is just a regular flat plate. Again, these are not super thick, but they will get you out in a pinch. What do we have here? Alright, this is a regular tool blade. This has got a bottle opener and a Phillips head. Alright, well that's what it's got. The front end of it. It's fully extended. So we're going to put those away. Gotta unlock it. And to unlock. See how it goes? Pretty smooth, but I did use 3-in-1 on it. That's this oil right here. I like this a little better because I love WD-40, but this one it just drips on, and it's a nice rose oil, and you don't have to worry about oil spray getting everywhere. So. Alright, well that's it for this episode of Erok's Gadgets and Gizmos, and I hope you stop by again soon. And if there's any other gadgets, gizmos you see on Geek that you want to have it checked out before you actually shell money on it, then leave that in the comments and we'll take a look. Have a great day. We'll see you soon.